Who's that down at the building site? It's Bloxy, the monster who loves big numbers and building big things. But what is she building today? Let's have a look at her Bloxy blueprint. It's a new big build. That looks fun. But what could the building be? Bloxy's not telling. It's a surprise.
Oh!
She's already made the walls. They look rock solid. But she's going to check with her classic raw test.
Ah!
Nothing wobbly about that. Now, Bloxy needs to add lots of parts to her big build to make it beautifully balanced. First, she's going to add some doors. Let's look at the blueprint and see how to make them. Each door is 2 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. How many blocks does Bloxy need to make each door? 2 lots of 3 equals 6 blocks. And here comes her Numberblock crew with some blocks to help her build them. Let's weigh them out. Bloxy, load your buckets! To make the doors, she needs 6 blocks in each bucket. So her buckets need to balance. Let's count along with her. The first bucket has
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks.
Is that the right number to make a door?
Yes.
Well done, Bloxy. She puts the rest of the blocks in her other bucket.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. 6 is less than 7.
Less than means smaller, so Bloxy's buckets don't balance. Do you know how to make them balance? Bloxy knows. She takes 1 block away from the 7.
7 minus 1 equals 6.
Now she has 6 blocks in each bucket. Perfect for making 2 doors. Look, they're like drawbridges. What will Bloxy make next? Can you see? Bloxy is going to make 2 windows. Each window is 2 blocks wide and 2 blocks tall. How many blocks does Bloxy need to make each window? 2 lots of 2 equals 4 blocks. The Numberblock crew have found some blocks. To make the windows, Bloxy needs 4 blocks in each bucket, and they need to balance. Bloxy, load your buckets! Let's count along. The first bucket has
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks.
The second bucket has
1, 2, 3, 4 blocks.
Do the buckets balance?
No! 5 is greater than 4. Greater means bigger. Me love big numbers.
Bloxy's buckets don't balance. Can she fix it? Do you know how? The first bucket has 5 blocks in. Bloxy only needs 4 to make a window. She takes 1 block away.
5 take away 1 equals 4.
Are the buckets balanced?
Yes.
There are now 4 blocks in each bucket. Perfect for making 2 wonderful windows. Bloxy checks the plan. Her building needs some steps. Each set of steps is made of
1, 2, 3 blocks.
Her crew have the blocks. Bloxy, fill your buckets. To make the steps, you need 3 blocks in each bucket and they need to balance. Let's count them in. The first bucket has
1, 2, 3 blocks.
The second bucket has
1, 2, 3 blocks.
Do the buckets balance? Yes! There are 3 blocks in each.
3 is equal to 3.
Perfect for making 2 sets of steps. Wow! Builder Bloxy! Your construction is nearly complete. You just need to add a pair of turrets to the top. How many blocks does Bloxy need to make each turret?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks.
Here comes the crew with a delivery. Builder Bloxy, load your buckets. To make the turrets, she needs 8 blocks in each bucket, and they need to balance. Let's count along. The first bucket has
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks.
the second bucket has
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks.
Do the buckets balance?
No! 8 is greater than 5. Greater means bigger. Me like big numbers. Ah!
Builder Bloxy tries again. She adds 2 more blocks to the second bucket.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Do the buckets balance now?
No! 8 is greater than 7.
So they still don't balance. Can you help her? Builder Bloxy adds 1 more block to the second bucket.
7 plus 1 equals 8 blocks.
Do the buckets balance now? Yes! There are 8 blocks in each bucket.
8 is equal to 8.
Perfect for making a pair of turrets. And Bloxy's big build is finished. But what is it? It's a blocky castle for her Numberblock crew to play on. It's big and fun and beautifully balanced. They want to thank her. But hang on, where's Builder Bloxy gone?
Oh,
She's off on a tea break.
me love big numbers and big cups of tea.
Oh, Bloxy.